I ordered a Geissele stripped receiver set 2 months ago. It was on sale. I think I got it about $200 to my door for the set. The upper receiver was very, very rough and yet still shiny and just really badly mismatched to the lower, along with some blemishes. So I sent it back and they've had it for over a month with no movement whatsoever. And then I was actually showing a friend side by side how much nicer an Aero Precision lower is. And I noticed that there's some heavy chatter from broaching in the magazine well. So I sent Geissele the photos. I mean, you could really feel that there's some real depth to those. And they emailed back asking if it interferes with the magazine, as though somehow that's okay if it didn't. Of course, this area doesn't touch the mag. It's just a relief, but I just think it looks really shitty. And I talked to somebody that makes the tooling for the broaching, and they suggest that it could be an issue with the fixturing, lubrication, or just a worn out tool. So, waiting to hear on that, on what they plan to do about this, or if at all. It's just really disappointing for a frame that goes on a $2,000 rifle. Also noticed that the Magwell bevel is really kind of below average. So overall, nothing to write home about. The trigger pocket's pretty cool, and it does make the receiver lighter weight. But aside from that, kind of disappointed. Also noticed the lazy threading here, not all the way through. I just like to see it all the way through, even though the tube doesn't necessarily engage it. And bare aluminum in the detent pocket presumably from air bubbles in the tank, from, holding the receiver upside down during the hard coat anodizing process. So that's all bare aluminum. But I've seen their frames before, so I didn't expect to be blown away, and I think it's okay. And I didn't have major complaints other than this chatter. Just really disappointed by that. It's very, very rough. In fact, you can see towards the bottom, there's a length of Magwell that's pretty flat, and then you see the light reflecting. It kind of dips down from there before that first rib.